Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Gosht Karahi. This classic South Asian dish is a true delight, known for its rich flavors and tender meat. We will go through each step, from selecting the best ingredients to the final garnishing. You will learn how to create a deeply aromatic and satisfying curry, perfect for any occasion. Get ready to impress your family and friends with this authentic recipe. To begin, let's gather our essential ingredients. We'll use approximately 500 grams of bone-in lamb or mutton, which provides the best flavor. You'll also need 3 to 4 medium-sized tomatoes, finely chopped, along with 4 to 5 cloves of minced garlic and a 2-inch piece of grated ginger. Don't forget your key spices: 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of freshly ground garam masala. Finally, prepare some fresh cilantro and 2 to 3 green chilies for that perfect finish. Now let's dive into the cooking. First, heat about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil or ghee in a karahi or heavy-bottomed pot. Add your lamb or mutton and fry until it's beautifully browned, about 5 minutes. Next, stir in the minced ginger and garlic, cooking for 1 to 2 minutes until aromatic. Then add your dry spices, mixing well. Pour in about 1 cup of water, cover, and simmer for approximately 1 hour until the meat is 80% tender. Finally, add the chopped tomatoes, increase the heat, and cook until the oil separates and the gravy thickens. To finish your exquisite Gosht Karahi, ensure the meat is perfectly tender. Stir in 1 to 2 tablespoons of ghee and a pinch of dried fenugreek leaves for an extra layer of flavor. Garnish generously with fresh ginger juliennes and finely chopped green chilies. Serve this mouthwatering dish immediately with warm naan, soft roti, or fluffy basmati rice. For an added zing, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice just before serving truly elevates the taste. Enjoy your homemade karahi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.